Let's get into more details about the ISO 9001 certification. The 9001 standard is a document of about 35 pages, structured in 10 chapters called clauses. ISO decided to make every new version of management system standards structured in the same way, made of 10 clauses. So, for example, the 14001 standard, which is about environmental protection, is structured in the same 10 clauses. The same applies to the 45001 standard, which is the standard about occupational health and safety management. This choice was made in order to make it easy for companies to have a so-called integrated system. This means that a company can choose to have a single system that manages quality, health, and environmental matters. This course will guide you on how to create an ISO 9001 system, but with some additional help from consultants, you can use it as a basis to create an integrated system. Now we can start to understand what does being certified according to ISO 9001 means. It means that companies decided that a common ground about quality was really needed. A company that works with high quality levels usually prefers to have providers that have the same attention to quality. This could happen for many reasons. First and foremost, because choosing a provider with a quality system is less risky. Providers that don't value quality could suddenly stop providing their service because of accidents or recurring mistakes. So, you probably are starting to see how quality is strictly related to the concept of business continuity. You want to work with high quality standards because you want your company to keep working well, and your clients may as well think the same. Let's get into higher details about how quality standards work. Let's think of the relationship between your company and your clients. If your clients want to be sure that your company works with attention to quality, they may require that you have the 9001 standard. Of course, they may also want to check on you through what we will call audits. But the first step would always be to ask if you are certified according to ISO 9001. In this slide, we simplify this concept through a comic. Your client asks you, "How do you manage quality?" Your company has a simple answer to that. "I'm ISO 9001 compliant." Just by being certified, your clients can be assured that you manage quality properly. The same could be said for another key relationship. This one between your company and your providers. The fastest way to check if your providers are compliant is to ask them if they are ISO 9001 certified or not. Also in this example, we could say that having the 9001 standard is actually just the first step. You can decide that it is enough, or you may decide that you prefer to check more deeply through audits. So, we can make the same comic in this slide too. Your company asks its providers, "How do you manage quality?" Your providers have a simple answer to that. "I am ISO 9001 compliant."